This is where craftsmanship meets industrial efficiency. Salt pulls moisture out and stops bacteria growth.
This is where raw nature meets industrial discipline, setting the foundation for everything that follows.
Every seam must be strong enough to last years of use.
Their thick hides evolved to survive brutal winters, powerful winds, and harsh environments. This natural toughness is exactly what makes bison leather so valuable today.
This is not waste. It is a highly controlled raw material.
Time becomes the biggest enemy, because fresh hide begins to decay within hours.
Salt pulls moisture out and stops bacteria growth. One mistake here can ruin an entire hide.
By the time the hides arrive, they already represent days of effort and planning. This is where raw nature meets industrial discipline, setting the foundation for everything that follows.
Let's double check the integument density here.
Agreed. This section feels slightly less resilient.
The soaking drums remove blood, dirt, and salt. Dehairing machines separate thick bison hair.
Now the hide begins to resemble leather, but it is still fragile. Next comes fleshing, where sharp, rotating blades remove fat, connective tissue, and leftover organic material. What you are seeing right now once covered a massive bison roaming open plains. Tanning is where skin becomes leather forever. Without this stage, the hide would dry, crack, and rot. The hide is now clean, flexible, and ready for the most critical chemical transformation ahead. Vegetable tanning relies on plant extracts like bark and roots, producing firmer leather with natural tones.
It is leather. Strong, flexible, and resistant to decay. At this point, it feels stiff and heavy, but its strength is undeniable.
This stage defines the leather's core characteristics. Tanning is the heart of the factory, where science, experience, and technology combine to create something lasting.
This breaks internal stiffness while preserving surface grain.
This is not surface paint. The dye bonds with the fibers, ensuring rich, long-lasting color.
Some brands request natural tones that highlight grain, while others want bold fashion colors.
Experienced workers plan cuts carefully.
description. Next comes stitching and assembly.
Every seam must be strong enough to last years of use.
This is where craftsmanship meets industrial efficiency.
This is where craftsmanship meets industrial efficiency.
These products are now ready for global markets.
From raw hide to luxury fashion, the transformation is complete.
What began as a rough, heavy skin has become a symbol of strength, durability, and premium craftsmanship.
Bison leather stands apart because of its origin, its process, and its performance.
Every jacket, bag, and boot carries this hidden story within its fibers. This is not just fashion. It is engineered durability and timeless design, born from one of nature's toughest materials.